All right, Bloomdido, Bloomdido, Bloomdido. All right, that's the melody. We'll do the melody later this month. There we go. Woo! All right, 30 minutes starting right now. So I think I'm gonna write this one down. Got it written down. Woohoo! Yeah. Man, I love that. I'll learn that in all 12 keys. That's a great line. Yeah, there it is. All right. Next challenge. Do that one in 12 keys. So I got a few minutes left. I'm going to try to play this at full speed, but I wanted to say that I think the one thing that makes this line really stand out to me is how he articulates it. Those notes that pop. Poppin'. Pop, pop, pop. This line doesn't have a ton of chromaticism in it. It has a couple of altered notes in there, but not a ton of chromaticism. And he's making diatonic notes sound really cool because of the way that he's pivoting and the way that he's articulating them. All right, enjoy me trying to play this at 100% speed. See you tomorrow. Later. Right on. Just popping those notes out, man. Woo! Yes.